Hi everyone, and welcome back to my bathroom. You guys were in here last time for my sewing video for my Yona of the Dawn cosplay, which by the way I finished and it's really amazing. So today I am going to be dyeing my hair for the very first time. I am pretty excited about it because I've never done that before. I am very skeptical because, as you can see, my hair is quite dark and I don't really think that it will show up because I will not be bleaching it. But I will be using Arctic Fox's products, which I will be mixing two of them together. One of them is Wrath and the other one is this electric pink looking color. And I hope that it ends up looking magenta on my hair. Like I said, I've never done this before. I did a bunch of research on this, so hopefully it turns out good. I took off my contacts because I obviously don't want to get hair dye on the lenses, and I will be watching Star versus the Forces of Evil while I do this, so hopefully it's good. Let's get into this. Yeah, these are the two colors I will be mixing together. This one is quite a vivid pink, and this one is a dark red. And yeah, I picked these out with no consideration as to whether or not they would look good together. Yeah. So I just finished mixing it, and it's kind of a hot pink looking color. A little bit more red than pink. I'm not very good at telling colors. So yeah, I'm gonna slap this on my head and see how that goes. Like I said before, I'm kind of skeptical as to whether or not this color will show up in my hair, but I am hopeful, so I'm going to try to keep it in as long as I can, probably 5 hours at least, so I have the best chances of it coming out. And if it doesn't, I'll just go buy some spray dye at the store as an emergency option. Oh, wait, I should also I'm going to put on this hair cap. Okay, I'm gonna roll like this all day. Good morning, everyone. It is actually the next day. You can probably tell that because of the light and everything. And I actually slept in curlers last night, as you can see. So about this whole experience, yes, obviously my hair did not turn magenta. That was to be expected because I didn't bleach it. But I surprisingly have, my hair is much more pink than I thought it would be. It actually looks like it has a bit of a purple tinge, which I didn't use any purple dye, but that's probably from the red dye that I used. And I am quite surprised. I am really happy with this. And I would say that, yes, if you want actually like red or pink hair, you should bleach your hair. But if you just want red or pink highlights or lowlights in your hair, you just want to have that slight tinge, I think this is actually perfect for you to do. So I think it really depends on what you want. So bright colors, you have to bleach your hair. If you just want a slight tinge to add a little bit more spark to your hair, then definitely try this out. I would say that this was a major success also in that I did not have any mess in my bathroom. I laid paper bags down on all the surfaces, my sink, the floor, toilet, to make sure that I didn't spill any dye. It was actually a good thing because I did drop some dye at some point. And my bathtub is not stained pink either from when I had to wash it out in the shower. Also, definitely wash it out with cold water because because if you use hot water, it like messes with the dye or something. So yeah, I think that was something amazing, that there's no evidence in my bathroom of pink dye anywhere. So yeah, I'm actually going to start getting ready for the convention, but I will be putting that in a different video. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.
Fat, old, lame, braces.
Zeus, would it be wrong to punch a child?